9 minus 3 divided by 1 over 3 plus 1 equal to. If you post this on Facebook or Twitter, the comments will turn into a war zone. Half the people shout that the answer is 9. The other half insist the answer is 1. And believe it or not, a lot of calculators will get this wrong depending on how you type it. In this video, I am going to show you the fraction trap that trick 99% of adults, and we will find the one true answer. First thing first, the problem is that we don't understand the problem. First, let us see how most people get it wrong. They look at the middle part. Their brain plays a trick on them. They just see the numbers 3 and 3. So they think, oh, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So they rewrite the equation as 9 minus 1 plus 1. So 9 minus 1 equal to 8 plus 1. Therefore, 8 plus 1 equal to 9. This is grossly wrong. Don't practice this. Dividing by a fraction is not the same as dividing by the number. Therefore, the problem is that we don't understand the problem. Did you think the answer was 9? Be honest. It is a very common visual illusion. If you want to see how to crush this fraction correctly, type on the like button. Right now, let us fix it. The rule for dividing fractions is simple. That is K.C.F. We have K, keep, change, and flip. This means keep the first number, that is 3. Change the division sign into multiplication. Flip the fraction. 1 over 3 becomes 3 over 1, which is just 3. As we have keep, change, flip. Now the equation is 9 minus 3. Then keep the first number, that is the 3. Keep the first number, that is 3. Then change the division sign to multiplication, that is 9. Therefore, 1 over 3 becomes 3 over 1, which is actually 3. Okay? Now, plus 1 plus 1. Okay? Therefore, equal to. Now, 9 minus, that is 3 times 3. If there is 1, whenever you have a fraction, then there is 1 under it. Therefore, 3 times 3 equal to 9. Okay? Plus 1. This changes everything. Now, we just use PEMDAS or PEMDAS. We use PEMDAS, that is PEMDAS. parentheses, the bracket is not there, the exponent is not there, multiplication is also not here, then division, no, addition and subtraction. Then the rule says, now, addition and subtraction are equal, so we go left to right. Okay, we go left to right. That is 9 minus 9 equal to 0. 9 minus 9 equal to 0 plus 1. Therefore, your answer is equal to 1. This is your final answer. The correct answer is 1. The people who said 9 fell into the divide by 3 trap. So, are you team 1 or team 9? If you typed it into a calculator as 3 divided by 1 divided by 3, you probably got the wrong answer too. Okay, here is a challenge. Is the answer minus 4 or 14? Comment below. Subscribe to M-Muak Academy for more logic puzzle. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.